What's up, y'all? It's Timmy, and today I'm going to take you to some place I've never been, so let's get into it. Welcome to Truck House Life, baby. Good morning again. We are here at the Canyonlands Visitor Center for the National Park, the Needles District, and we're gonna go out this trail called the Colorado River Overlook Trail. It's four-wheel drive only. Let's go check it out. Let's get all locked up here. So what we're gonna do here is four-wheel out the Colorado River Overlook Trail for maybe 2.5 to 3 miles and through a bunch of deep sand and all that stuff. Then we'll stop the truck, get the bikes off the roof, and go out to the rim of the Colorado River. It's supposed to be awesome. So here we go. Here we are at the, I think, Salt Creek Flats or something like that. A little parking spot for the truck. And we're gonna rally up the trail, up the Jeep road, up that way. Right. Sandy. We're getting up onto, this is like the first obstacle at mile 3.1, which you can also ride a Jeep up. Looks pretty chill, pretty bouncy if you're in a vehicle. Little bikes just walk right up it though. That'd be rough in the camper. Ooh, chunky. There's been lots of fairly significant obstacles. This is like the first like rock ledge in the trail. Let's see if we can just ride up it. Oh yeah. Right, second obstacle on the trail. Or second major obstacle, not too bad. This little slick rock hill. Here we are at the Overlook. Cool. We go hop off the bikes and go to the edge. Yeah, maybe up there. I'm gonna try to ride all the way out to the Overlook. Beautiful. Aaron's gonna check out that overlook over there. I'm gonna check out this horseshoeing out here in the edge. Cool. Whoa. All right. Then we'll get down there. Right here. Whew. So this is the Colorado River Overlook Trail. Looks like we're gonna go up on this little high peak up here, maybe. I really want to go up on this one. Or out there, actually, that looks pretty sweet too. Easy in the knees. Oh, this is cool. Actually kind of messed my knee up yesterday. We did like a little 11-mile hike, which is half rock scrambling, which is gorgeous, but I don't know what's up with the knee. It's still, something's still wrong, but I've got an MRI when I get back to Alaska to get it checked out. See what's up. I'll get you guys a view up here so you're not looking at my freaking face in the camera the whole time. Oh yeah. You ready? There's Aaron up on that rock right up there. Pretty cool. And here's the Colorado River. Nice. Just heading down the canyon there. We're at kind of a horseshoe though, because over here, there's another big canyon. I think it's Salt Creek, I believe. It's gorgeous country. So once again, this is, we're in Canyonlands National Park. You can see the needles maybe in the horizon line out there, really needly mountains. That's where we went hiking yesterday through all those needles. It was pretty cool. Anyway, I'm gonna turn this camera off and enjoy it. Let's see that picture. Polaroid picture. Check out the view. Can you guys see that? Can't really see. It's cool though. So this was a pretty chill, pretty cool trail. It took us like, not that long, maybe like 30 minutes to get out here, I think. Or close to. So yeah, recommend it. It's a gorgeous view. It's hard filming one-handed. back at the truck. There we have it. It's a pretty nice ride. Not too bad. Yeah, that was fast coming out. It took like,
I know, I thought it was gonna be all.
it's probably 30-ish minutes coming out. Pretty quick. There it is, Colorado River Overlook Trail. What do you think, Karen? She loves it. There you have it, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to maybe hit that like button and subscribe to the channel if you'd like to see more of this content, and we'll see you on the next adventure. Okay then, goodbye. Peace out.